This pothole patching is in the rain, and it's with the rain. Yeah, you're right, Simbo. Yeah. It's in the rain, and with the rain we are working, we are patching. As you can see, the place has been squarely cut. We have compacted, and there's rainwater coming in as I'm walking through. You see? And as the rain is pouring, we are also applying the Israeli code product, and this is going to go into the rain here, you see. And as you can see, we're standing with the umbrella, the guys with the raincoat, and with the rain we are applying this product. We have always said that this product is a cold application, is all weather cold application product. Now, well, this is about let me see, it's about 20 to 10 in the night. It's 20 to 10 in the night, and we are doing it. We're still patching the pothole. To many engineers, this is really against the law of the engineers. You can't do this. Especially look at this, where the rainwater is. There's rainwater coming in, and we are applying the product. So, well, let's see if there is any other product that is more suitable and that can beat this code application product, where there is water and rain, and we're still working. I will be getting a shot after we compact this. Thank you.